iPhone charger, Sundix 3-pack 10 feet lightning cable iPhone charger cable nylon braided charging cord compatible iPhone XR XSMax X 88 plus 77 plus 66s plus SE 55s 5C iPod. Blue. What you get, every order includes 3-pack iPhone charger cable. If you have any problem, just contact us. We will respond within 24 hours. You can purchase in confidence. Extra long and durable iPhone charger features nylon fabric and reinforced connectors and outperforms plastic-made cables in bearing tangle, split, and wear. 10 feet in length gives you more freedom while charging. Fastest possible speed, super copper wires configuration technology upgrades charge speed up to 2.4A and data transferring speed up to 480 Mbps per second. Faster speed and less weight. Perfect pack, 3 PCS 10 feet nylon braided cable is practical for daily use. Put them respectively in office, car and house, charge multiple devices simultaneously, or share with friends or family. Universal compatibility, supports iPhone XS XR XSMax 88 plus 77 plus 6s 6s plus 66 plus, iPod Air 2 Pro, iPod Touch 6th Gen, iPod Nano 8th Gen and more. Fit most phone case. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.